Hello everyone and welcome to a school. It's been a little bit bumped, but 6 years ago it still had students. Here you can find the remains of the former latch, such a hook on a chain. You see some space here? I think that's the space where janitors kept their tools. You know, rakes, shovels, dustbins. And here, not here but right here, you can see the cut heater pipes. Someone sold them for scrap. The window used to have 3 layers of glass. It's a staircase. You can get to the second floor, but today I won't go there. Over there you can see an exit. On the other side you can see a classroom, and we will go there later. Let's better check what's written on that wall. Lubimy pejzaży. Favorite sceneries. I think that's a place for the wall newspapers. When you know the classes compete between themselves and the best works are on the wall. The place where we are now, it's a ball. Ah, got it. It's a changing room. Here there was a doorman. Children gave him their clothes and boom. Oh, look at this! It's a switch. Let's put it on here. Let's see what else we have on the first floor. Here it is. It's a picture of 2 pioneers. And right next to it, there is an exit. In Russian, it's Vyhod. And right ahead of me, there is some classroom. Let's check it out. The wooden doors, which are everywhere, they're saved in a good condition. I think if you paint them, you still can use them. And these bars, they remind me the prison. Oh my god, you're so creaky. Ouch, my ears are now bleed. Oh. And here used to be the fire extinguisher. And here you can see a founder of Bolsheviks win. And the Russian alphabet. Here you can see another picture. Let's come up to it. It's young Lenin on the river Волга.
Сказала мать, бывает все, сынок, быть может ты останешься от дорог, когда придешь домой в конце пути, свои ладони Волгу опусти.
Okay, I'll then fall back to lyrics. Okay, let's get out of here. I'll come back here next time, and next time I'll guide you to the second floor.